Okay, here it is. This is a new system that we're going to be using to go ahead and put our clients through. Now, this is going to be on a maintenance program, and this is what we talked about earlier. So I wanted you guys to see exactly what it is that you get, um, so that way you'll know exactly how it works, and we can go ahead and get it set up like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and log in. This is a dummy portal, so it's not actual information, but it will give you the gist of how it works and what it does. So I'm going to go ahead, and as you can see, when you come in, you have, uh, this is what you'll see as a client. You'll be able to have my information in there. What you'll do is you'll add your own stuff. You're going to add in your net income. Okay, you're going to add in your net expenses. All this information you're going to add in. But something key to watch is the debt to income ratio. You know, a lot of times you might be able to get in under 48%, 45%. If you're trying to buy a home, they want your debt to income ratio below a certain percentage. So you'll be able to see exactly where that is. Another thing that's real cool about this is if you go ahead and click on the payment strategy, you can pick either the max savings or pick it by priority. So if there's a certain way that you want to focus on debts, you're going to use this option. If you want to, um, if you want to have additional payments to reduce the interest, you're going to check the max savings. But say for instance you wanted to do by priority, and say for instance um, you wanted to pay off these things in your with the least amount of payment, you might go with this. So you might want to just move that up. Or you might want to go by something that's the least amount of time that you have to pay. So you'll just move it up. You can move it down, whatever the case is, and you can save it, and that will tell you exactly how to pay it off. Um, if you're going for the max savings, same type of deal. You'll just click on max savings, and it will show you the same information. I'm not going to go over that right now, um, but and then here's your payment center. So you have all your accounts, what you're normally paying uh, when the payments are due. So you'll be able to track things there. Then your total cash snapshot. This is a little gauge of showing you how much is going where. Okay. And then you have your debts here. You could always add a debt, adjust your debts, or whatever the case is. You can go ahead and set that up here. Um, so that's there for you. Okay. So if you wanted to refer a friend, all you have to do is click refer a friend, put their information in, and we'll go ahead and contact them on your behalf. But this is something that's real cool for you guys, something that's going to be able to help you. It's going to be able to help you pay off your debts, get into a more positive status with your finances, and get that debt to income ratio in a position where you can go ahead and qualify for that home loan that you guys are looking for. So I hope this helps. I just wanted to drop that video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free, as always, to give me a call at 800-972-3970, or you can always send an email to info@approvedmyscore.com and we'll reply back. Okay, so with that being said, I want to thank you guys for your time. You guys have a good evening.